Third thing we have is Hickey, which is very, very important for us. Like, when you want to develop this strength with the both external and the internal muscles, which are directly or indirectly responsible for development of speech. Like, this Hickey is a diamond shape. And why do we have a diamond shape? Because opening of mouth is very difficult, but with the help of this Hickey, we can develop this opening mouth very easily. What you have to do it, you have to hold this Hickey this way. In this Hickey, we have two sides. One is a plain, like which is a smooth one, and the another one we have a small blister. So we have two type of blisters here, a big blister and the small blisters. So these blisters can stimulate both external and the internal muscles of speech. Got it. So now what we have to do it, we just hold this way and you have to insert like this. You have to just apply little pressure in between your both upper and the lower teeth, and then you have to put inside like this. And at this fixed point, you have to just fix it. And this automatically will fix it, and then you can apply, you can do with other exercises, which is very, very important for the development. So you can just go with the cross way also. This way. This way. Now the development of jaw, like jaw strength, we can develop with this Hickey. What do you have to do it? You just vertically and the horizontally. So this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. So you have to just put the horizontally first. Like this. Like this, and then vertically like this. Now how to use this externally? So first you have to start with this small dotteds, which we'll call the small blisters. You have to just apply the pressure this side, and then you have to use like this. You have to apply the entire thing. You have to cover this. And then you have to stabilize with the softer part this way. Like this. So what we're doing it in case of hypersensitivity or hyposensitivity, in both cases, this is the very, very important to reduce or increase. So we can just stabilize with the normal sensitivity, and you have to utilize the Hickey in this way. Now externally also you have to use it the same way. First externally, from the softer side, harder side, and then softer side like this. Like this, over the tongue, below the tongue. Frenum is the most sensitive part, so you have to utilize this frenum also like this. So this way we can use this Hickey in our practice, and if you work regularly with all these three tools, you can see the drastic changes within a couple of weeks. So these are the very, very important. And if the child is having a lot of sensory issues, so this is just like it's kind of a pendant. You have to just put inside the and you just ask them to chew whenever they'll get like sensory issues and all. So they can use as a teether as well.